is we have factored in several components. We have factored in 4%. 4% will be for the people managing the digital platform, including a call center. If there is a problem, there will be a call center for people to call and get assistance if they are stuck on one of the or one or other issue. So there will be a call center managed by the mobile operators. Of course, the management of the engines and the infrastructure, to the technology infrastructure. There will also be the upgrading of the infrastructure with the time, so that we don't have to bother ourselves with managing that platform. We have also put a component of 2%, just to make sure that if there are any defaulters, they do not reduce the fund. And then number 3, we have put another 2% to make sure that the fund grows. It doesn't get stuck, so that it can benefit more people as we go ahead. The amount of money available on that platform is from 500 shillings to 50,000. This is the initial, the personal loan. The next product for chamas will start from 50,000 to 250,000. Then the next one will climb up like that.